So this is Gypsum Gardens, Mill Gardens. Ang laki oh. Richmond Fountain. So this park open 160 years old. My gosh, 160 years old. Nasa puno. Minsan nakikita mo may mga bukad ng ibon. Wow! How picturesque is that? Tama. Marami ditong mga duckies. More than 160 years old itong park na to. Ay, dapat nagdala pala ako ng pagkain. No, sorry. Wala akong pagkain. Oh, akala nila may pagkain ako. There's lots of bread, food left in the left. You are full. Please take it home with you. Thank you. Yeah, you can feed them with the bread. They love that. Oh. Pag may tao nalalapitan sila eh. Wala akong pagkain. Sorry. Sorry. Pag winter kasi medyo ang pagkain low. Ito, belt ito nung 1875. Jeez. Ang ingay ng mga yan. Look at that tree, so pretty. I bet that's already been there for so long. Maybe 100 years old. Nag-aantay ng mga pagkain. Hello guys. Sorry, no food. Pag summer, ang sarap nito maupo, mag-stay, mag-relax. Maraming tao dito pag summer eh. Nag-relax lalo na pag hapon. Malaki ang park. So, nagbabat sila in Victorian time. Bumisita dito ang royal family. I think it's Queen Victoria, kaya tinawag na Royal Leamington Spa. Ang busy-busy na.